Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So we have another important accessory for the Himalayan, that is the side stand extender. So I've been using other brands, the local ones, which cost around 300-350, and whenever I do any off-road or any obstacle I overcome, that tends to fall off. So this time I got a very good product from the company named Viaterra. So this is how it looks. This is the side stand shoe. So it is of very premium quality. So this is made up of complete stainless steel 304, which is used for all the shoe parts. So the product is made in India itself. So as you can see, the MRP of this product is 1499. So as you can see, it comes with a high shear strength of SS304, which allows high torque to be applied on the screw. So for the screws, you can apply high torque. So the chances of falling off and loosening is very less. And they also provide a Loctite for the screw so that it doesn't loose on any tough situation or tough roads when you ride it. It also comes with an Allen key. So let me open this. As you can see, the packing is really good. It looks very premium. So let me open this. And they do have other product range as well, which is mentioned here. They do sell gloves, jacket, pants, warmer layers. You have tail bags, saddle bags, everything. You can check out their website. I have already used trail pack in one of my previous video. You can check out that video as well. And they do have other parts as well. So once you open it, let me open it. So this is the Loctite which they have provided, and okay. So this is the side stand shoe. As you can see, the fit and finish is excellent, and you can see the thickness as well compared to other brands which you see. And it comes with the Allen key bolt, and they do have the branding here. Apart from that, that's it, I guess. They have Allen key. I think it fell off somewhere here. So now let's just move to the installation part. So this is the Allen key which they have provided. So first we'll remove all these 4 Allen key bolts, then we'll keep the plate and then install on top. So let me go one by one. First I'll loosen this. So I have removed the 4 Allen key bolts. So this comes in 2 compartments. So the first thing is you can install this way as well. So this will go inside this. Then you can install this like this. Yeah, so this is how it will go. To place this very straight, then this will go in this way. Yeah, that's it. So you have 4 bolts, 1 here, 2 on the right side and center one. So let me tighten it now. Make sure you put that the right thread so that you won't miss the thread. Similarly on the right side as well. So the installation is completely done. So in other brands, what happens is, if you see at the back, so this one has a flat surface. So in few brands, they tend to put the bolt here, so that there are high chances that it will fall off. So now we'll be adding the Loctite so that it doesn't loosen up. This is the Loctite. Make sure you add the corners on the back as well. So this is how you need to add. Flip it back side. So now this won't loosen up so easily. So the final installation is done. So this is how it look. So now the thing is, whenever you have a lot of luggage in your vehicle and there are no even surfaces to park the vehicle, so that time it will be very comfortable and vehicle will get parked very stably. So if you have any queries regarding this product, please comment down below. For more details regarding Viaterra products, you can check out their website. So if you find this video informative, please do like my channel and do subscribe. Thank you all.